In today's video, what I want to show you guys is a 20-minute bodyweight workout for pectus. Just get it done quick and effectively. I'm in a gym doing it, but you don't necessarily need access to a gym, just somewhere to do pull-ups. So what the workout's going to be is it's a 20-minute AMRAP, which means you set a timer for 20 minutes, and in that time you're going to do as much work as possible. And that's good because then you'll get a score, and then if you redo the workout, you can aim for progression, and it keeps the intensity high by having that timer. So for 20 minutes, we're going to do as many rounds as possible of 5 pull-ups, 10 push-ups, and 15 butterfly sit-ups, okay? So the intention behind this is that the set should be unbroken. You might get a bit fatigued on the push-ups and have to drop for a second. If it's really hard, do the push-ups on your knees. For the pull-ups, if it's hard, add a band or some kind of assistance to help you, because it should be just moving consistently. Okay, so the first thing is the 5 pull-ups. So for the pull-ups, you're gonna do all the way up, chin above the bar, all the way down in your hang. Then you're going to drop to the floor, 10 push-ups. The chest hitting the floor, extending all the way back up. Keep your core engaged on the push-ups too, don't let your butt sag. And then you drop into a sit-up, 15. Just like this. So we're touching in front of our toes and we're extending all the way back. This is a pretty simple core movement that everyone should be able to do. And it's going to feel easy your first round. Once you're 20 minutes into this workout, it won't feel as easy. Nice. So then, that's one round. I've got 20 minutes, so just keep going. So trust me, it's gonna fatigue and blow you up pretty quick. And in 20 minutes, you're gonna have a good workout. 5 pull-ups, on the floor, 10 push-ups. And then, we're still going into the sit-ups. So that's the flow, guys. Enjoy the workout. I'm going to do that today myself, just to get in a quick workout, because I've got a busy day programming for my Pectus Warriors. If you're interested in joining the program, then links in the description.